Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a tune-up report for you today in the Cobra 29LX with an RFX 95 on the backside there. Okay, and this is for Christopher in Missouri. Now, all the ones, whenever we do these, we give you an on-off switch for it. So let me start with that switch off. Got the power here on the top scale, right? That's 0 to 10. Coming in at about 6. And over here we got a 100 slug. Guess we're looking at the other one. There's a 50 slug. Scale's in the middle now. Peaking 30. So that's the radio all by itself. Now I'll throw that switch in the back. After I do that, I'll have to change this scale to here. 10, 20, 30 on the bottom. We're coming in about 20. And over here, 100 watts. Again, on the bottom scale. J, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, audio, 1, 2. You can also hear in the audio there, we changed this delta tune to an echo board. Alright. A lot of noise out there today. I don't know where this all coming from. Incoming check driver, you see that?
Right there, and he was right out on the hog shot, absolutely. Oh, he says we gotta do that shit, you know how we do it. Gotta get it done though. Right there, Mr. Bush Hog, right there. Get one of these. Oh, man, oh my God, boy.
How about at 15? Can I get a quick radio check?
Radio check, go.
This radio sound okay down here in Fort Lauderdale, Breaker?
Yeah, who's this?
Screwdriver?
Who's that out there for that radio check? I'm gonna get a Dania.
Dania, that's a pretty good trip. The Screwdriver up here in Fort Lauderdale.
Hey, Screwdriver, what's up, man? Riff Raff again. You know how we do it. You get one of these. Oh, man. Oh, my God. Boy. What's up, Screwdriver?
Waving a hand, man. Good to hear you out there.
Hey, right there, right there. And as far as your radio sounds like this. No, I'm just kidding now. That radio sounds 10-8 up here, Screwdriver. You know how we do it. Sounding all sorts of good up in this neighborhood. Now we do your boy Riff Raff with that 5. One time with that Raven. Oh, man. Oh, my God. Boy. You know how we do.
All right, 10-4, man. I got to get back out of here. You have a good one. Thanks for coming back to me. Bye.